I'm Station, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Nykaa's newly launched the InstaBlur color corrector stick. Nykaa was kind enough to send me their the InstaBlur color correcting sticks, the all colors what they have newly launched, and they have launched 5 shades. That is in purple, this is in yellow, they have in green, and one is in orange, and one is in peach shade. So let's check one by one what's all the shade all about. I have not applied any makeup, so I wanted to try these shades right now and see to it how it is. So this is going to be my first impression. So I have here, the first shade I have here is the purple one. Sorry, it's lavender. Okay, so this is a lavender shade and it is used for blur paleness. So let's check out the packaging. Sleek packaging, very nice and travel friendly. You can easily put this in your bag. Okay, and it looks like a lipstick and there is something inside this. Let's see what is this lavender all about. Lavender blur pigmentation and dark spots, correcting properties and skin care, blurs imperfections and moisturizers and improves skin dryness. So each shade formulated to blur most common skin concerns, and these products, Nykaa products, are all cruelty free, and this product is vegan, cruelty free, SLS free and paraben free. So it's good for you and for your skin. That's nice. And it's enriched with camellia flower extract, which boosts skin hydration and reduces appearances of fine lines. That's really nice. So if in case you have dark circles and you are using any kind of under eye cream, I don't think so when you're using these correctors you don't need to apply any kind of under eye cream, because the flower extract will, you know, hydrate your under eye skin. So I have here is a purple one, which purple one is the lavender is blur pigmentation and dark spots. The next I have here is the yellow one for blur dullness. So it is also similar kind of packaging and it is also infused with the camellia extract. There is no smell in this. I'll just show you all the swatches. It feels like powdery. Obviously it's not a creamy finish, but it is like a powdery kind of finish जो correctors में हमेशा होता है. But you need you can either blend it with your brush or blend it with your finger. I have the purple one which I'm just swatching, and formula is the same. So let's check out the other shade. The third one I have here is a green. Yeah, that's called a green shade. Okay, and this, what does a green do? It is blur acne. So if you have acne prone skin, then this will definitely be helpful for you. So this also have white color camellia extract, and the shade is, wow, it's very nice pigmented. The next I have here is, this is the peach shade, yeah, extract, and the shade is like this. This is the one, and the last one I have, the fifth shade they have is the orange corrector. So peach is a light one and this is the orange one, which is little darker. So I think for dark skin tone the orange is perfect. Let's read. Green is for blur acne, lavender is for blur pigmentation and dark spots, yellow is for blur dullness, peach is for blur dark circles, fair to medium skin, orange is for blur deep dark circles, medium to deep. So orange and peach, they give 2 shades for medium to darker skin tone and fair to medium skin. So I will try. All this is not useful for me at the moment because I don't have all these problems. So but I do have some sort of dark circles. So let's try like that. So at the moment I have not even moisturized my face. There is no foundation, nothing, because I thought I'll just get ready with you guys. So I am just placing dots. So if you require more, you can definitely use more. See that there is difference in my skin tone under eyes. Use the lavender one because I have small red freckles. Okay, so
I just blend it with my finger.
I'll just apply foundation right now. Nykaa Skin Shield is my favorite foundation, so I'm just putting few dots. I think I really don't need concealer if I am using a corrector. I also noticed that after using this corrector, it doesn't mix it with my foundation. It sticks under eye. That's really nice. It's not moving. Not even the purple one is moving. Okay, so I'll just do the remaining the eyebrows and lipstick and I'll come back. Okay, so guys, here I am. I have used these I just used the color correcting, the orange, the peach one and the purple one, and I noticed that after applied the foundation, it really did not mix with the foundation. It stayed in the same place and my dark circles was hidden, as well as the red freckles which I have, that was not there. So it's not visible at all. So these are the shades, the 5 shades, that is the yellow, purple, yellow, lavender, the green, peach and the orange. And these shades are very affordable. You'll get it for 499 rupees only on Nykaa, and depends upon whichever is your skin issues, depends upon whatever is your skin problem is, go ahead and grab it right away. I will be sharing all the links in my description box below. Click on my title and then one drop down box will open. You can click whichever shade it suits you, or you are having skin problems, you can buy it accordingly. And there are so many other Nykaa offers going on and deals. I will be sharing all the links in my description box, and few more coupon codes which will be very helpful for you to save some money. So I hope you like this review. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video, and if you are not following me on my Instagram, follow me on my Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.